I welcome you to this economics lesson. Today we shall be talking about industries in Nigeria. Now, before we go on, we have to quickly look at the lesson objectives. So, by the end of this lesson, students should be able to define location of industry, explain factors influencing the location of industry, and outline reasons for government participation in the location of industries in Nigeria. Now to the lesson in detail. Location of industry. The first thing I would like to remind you is the difference between a firm and an industry. A firm is a unit of an industry, while an industry is a group of firms producing similar commodities. So, location of industry is defined as the setting and establishment of a firm or industry in a particular place. If you look around, you see different firms, different industries being located in strategic places. That's what we call location of industry. Factors influencing location of industries are: number one, proximity to source of raw materials. What do you mean by proximity? Nearness to the source of raw material. An industry should be located close to source of raw materials to reduce the cost of transportation. Now, when the cost of transportation or transporting raw material is reduced, the cost of production per unit of output will also be reduced. Number two, nearness to the market. There should be a ready market for the product of any industry to be sited in the place, especially for fragile and perishable goods. If your market is not near and you are selling perishable goods or fragile goods, while transporting these goods, there can be damages, loss in transit, and so on. 3. Availability of capital. There should be enough capital to purchase industrial inputs before and after setting up industries. Capital is one of the factors of production that is needed continuously in the production of goods and services. You need it at the beginning to set up your firm, to buy materials, to pay for labor, and after that, after the setting up, you also need it to pay for labor and to continue production. Number 4, nearness to source of power. Firms or industry should be located very close to the source of power, and the power should be dependable. Number 5, availability of labor. Labor is needed to help in running the firm by contributing to production of goods and services. So, high quality skilled and unskilled labor should be available before considering the location of your industry. Number 6, adequate transport network. There should be good road and vehicles that will bring in raw materials and take the goods produced to the market. Number 7, political stability. A stable government encourages industrial growth. This will attract foreign investors. The laws to be made by the government should be the one that favor the location of industry. Number 8, government policies. Government should encourage industrialization, that is location of industry, through policies like direct participation, creation of industrial zones, provision of infrastructural facilities such as electricity, pipeline water, road, and telecommunication. This will contribute immensely to the location of industry. Favorable climate. There should be favorable climatic condition for industrial growth. When we are talking about this, we talk about the tax being paid. We also talk about the availability of infrastructure facilities. This will also help in location of industry. The next one, reasons for government participation in the location of industries in Nigeria. Why does the government need to participate in location of industry? Number one, to raise the standard of living. If government participates in location of industry, they will be able to produce goods that will be worthwhile, which will increase the standard of living of the people. Now, number two, to provide standard goods. I said that earlier. Three, to ensure economic development. For the economy to develop, industrialization will be encouraged. And industrialization can only come when there is location of industry. Number four, to provide employment opportunities. When industries are created, people or working population of the economy will be employed, which in turn creates employment opportunities. Number five, to check rural-urban migration. If industries are located in the remote places, in the rural area, the rate at which people move from rural area to the urban center would be minimized. 6, to enhance equitable distribution of wealth. Location of industry will help in equitable distribution of wealth. This means that goods will be available everywhere. People will enjoy the standard good produced everywhere, and employment will also be available for people everywhere. To influence industries for political reasons. Sometimes government participate in the location of industry, especially when voting is coming. When they do this, people tend to vote for them during election. I believe you have learned one thing or the other in this lesson today. Your question will be posted in the class later, and we shall meet next week by God's grace. God bless you. Have a nice day.